Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
Let me tell
Sometimes
her what they do.
you
Let me
are
tell her what
right.
they do.
I swear.
Them just come from the live. Me forgot sell my front.
Who
You see
said
all
that?
them liberty here?
It's a puzzle, yo. It's just a puzzle, yo. I have never heard of Tufi talking about her sick great grandmother. Talk also you see about Tufi. Tufi, don't argue with them, man, cause them same one. Sometimes somebody will offend you upon the live and them same one come back from help you, you know.
Me don't wanna help from them if them have a class, my granny, me don't wanna help. But prefer make you stay upon the blood clot ice and walk and beg. I'm beg. I chew run and run around them send me down a
That's
part
right,
and
Debbi.
say,
No, no.
because Minister of Labour, they make you a little contribution towards it. What wanna go? Because who you know go give somebody a death certificate? Another them family, this have to put up cheerful for the
Me
person
nah
bury.
like
If
Instagram, I
they're
kind
not
of rate
artists
her
and
because
can't
she
do a
very
crackberry. So I go chuck off them and see. That's what I'm telling you, Debbi, me never want to come on a life, come ask you know. Come
She
no
never
want
want
nobody
to come
come
ask you to,
class
and me
me.
tell her to come ask, and
I'm
me,
telling you, me never did ever come. Who
and me
them
tell
help
her,
over lava? Nobody na help me over the lava.
people wanna help her, please, wanna give her a money. Anything wanna have, £10, £5, $1,000, everything we accumulate up, and we get the money where she want. You don't have to donate none big. If you don't have it, you can donate £100 or £50. You get me farewell, but little, you get me every little may come up to help her is her grandmother she want bury. I mean,
You know say me go call all
Tuffy
my big
calm down
sister, you
always
know. Me go
wrong.
call all Carrion, you know. And say Carrion, you see you see you Carrion, and you make me get disrespect, you know, cause you can't put something towards it, you know, and you make your husband a tell a thing, tell her me have to come on
True,
social
and
media
she
and
talk
beg and make
everything
people
online,
disrespect my blood clot
especially
granny.
if money involved. This is what she does, jump from life to life and beg and start cuss when she got called out and ask people to block when she got called out. No man, me not think she do not fuck her right now. She needs some money for help with her grandmother funeral. Nobody now go help you. Me did sorry for you, but
Me not
you
want you sorry for me.
no manners, man. Tell Tuffy if you stop arguing with the people, let me know, man. If you don't argue with them, said one them we a bad mouth here, them same man go help you, me I tell you.
My girl, attitude. Nobody
Nobody not
don't help
help
me over lava. Nobody don't help me over lava. If you come with that,
nobody
that
not
is a
help you
no-no.
Tuffy now
The
like
money
you
where them
have
you set up on the school
luck.
and take it back, so me not get no
You
help.
you have
I
badge
didn't tell lie.
with lot of people. Tuffy remember the people them know you. Calm. Condolence to your family. Condolence to the people that tell you condolence. Say, oh God. It's when I tell Tuffy, the same people that share course are them same one come back and tell you condolence. See there? Chanel Palmer.
Listen to me now, Debbi. Me no want not even condolence from her.
Nobody is not talking down on the lady
Then I
passing.
who not
The
talk. When the
manners,
fucking dance and
the
stupid that we school when I
messenger,
go.
they
When the
have
fucking dance.
the
We school when I go
problem
and it dance
with
like that. If me never come on the live with doctor.
everybody help her. So one of my friend that to New York. Help my friend. Me say me go call out some people in the week here tough here, make them help you. Them youth here, we all give all a £20 or £10. If him can give 100, him give you. Me not draw not the big out of the people in pocket. But me I beg some of my people in my England for help that girl here because her grandmother dead. You get me? One thing of vex she have no cash up, you know. Our granny dead
Listen
and she
on
want to bury the
Debbi.
granny and the granny dead
Debbi.
on the ice
Tell them
long
people
time.
that say no. Tell them people that say no. Tell them people that say a long time me I say me want come on life come back, but all
A
them
true one
free.
says she now go and me influence her.
Come and never did ever
When did
come.
she die? And me influence her for come on the live, you know, she never want come ask, you know. And me influence her Tufi, you know, like just call my
Stand what kind
family
of
in
argument that you
Jamaica.
ask me? Which great
That live
grandmother?
where you from,
Look, me
and
not no great
she
grandmother,
said
my
you
mother then.
we will live where you from, and she said you are. I'm gonna read the rest. I like read comment all we are going all of
The
them.
comment
I will
section
make them read
actually.
them. The same attitude made chat and laugh stop help her. When did she die? Is her what MU mean helping our man? What that mean? What MU mean? What MU mean? Understand?
Debbie.
Yeah?
Debbie.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, listen up. Attitude, them not
She,
paying no money.
she
Then
died
talking
from
thinking
November
about him
25th,
and me give him
January
lunch money every
2023.
morning. So what you say?
Puzzling. It took you this long to because them not have it.
Nobody not help no wanna
She
laugh or
don't
someone
have
ask
it. That's
them
why
get
it
no
take
help.
her this long and she never want ask no help. And me influence her for come ask cause me think say things like this not for hide. Things like this to be known and me you come out. She me can't manage a person, you know. Chanel. Bad, you know, Chanel Palmer bad. Up yourself, Debbie. People no help my friend, help her, help Tufi, make she get a little thing, people. Come let me have go pin me cash shop in a week, you know. Cause me need some people to put money in it so you can get it. Because she was begging for Debbie, you are gonna shame, you know. Watch out
Somebody
my
call the
shoulder
life no
is
tough.
here for you to lie on. Jesus Christ, you the people in Bo, me go shame them shoulder they for my life.
Alright, Debbie.
Eh?
Debbie. You
Hmm?
know what I want you do? A 2 phone you have?
No one.
Oh, you said it have 2 phone, but I make
Money
you do
oh
something.
how we
Debbie,
Maka
you can do
Diamond
something for
there.
me and dumb up them people, yeah?
This a Debbie Diamond. Eh?
You can call somebody for me and
Oh,
say carry on. Your sister they on live. I beg money and she say you can't help to bury your granny. I hear
I'm have
everything.
my house phone as well, you know. So the house phone, yeah, you have to fit through, let me see.
Yeah,
You
call
get
her. Let me give you the number. Let me give you the number, Debbie.
Alright, you know what? Let me see something. Let me plug in my house phone and
And
see.
put the phone on speaker, make them hear. Cause I don't know what me I tell life. I mean, need to tell no lie.
Mm-hmm. Hold on there. With my house phone. I have my house phone. Oh, push back down the car downstairs, man. Jesus Christ. Go far, me have to walk to go for the card. Oh my God. Tufi,
Yeah,
you hear me?
yeah,
At the card, I go for the house phone.
yeah. Come here, give you the number, make you call her.
Yeah, because the people might take the piss and I believe you. I
Cause
believe
them people,
you.
yeah, I'm want you tell carry on, tell her say tough it up on the live. I beg money for your granny to bury your granny, and the people them are disrespect her. And the Anthony and Juliet say, this why that's why it happen because she can't make up for bury her granny. I'm
Oh.
want to see them big pussy people come at me. Come know what me I tell life. I
Tufi,
never want
stop
to come
cuss
back.
the people, them Tufi, man.
Because them no some things in the comment section, right?
Tufi, you can't pay them no mind. Don't cuss the people them where we go wrong.
Cause somebody go say Nikki Black sure receipt. I just so 1 week, girl. When you come over here, them argument the fam. Me I talk about my dead granny right now. About 1 week, then pay for and that's it.
You hear the phone? What the number, Tufi?
546.
Is that a Jamaica number?
Yeah.
Alright, may I call it straight off of the house one then.
Yeah, 546. She named Karen, that is my sister.
Hang on.
Tell her say I'm me and her auntie there. Yeah, me and her auntie.
Chumu on the light, me I put the phone under me to Ross and I realize the people them can't see. Oh, the number goes 001-876. Oh, it go
546.
546. Yeah.
4912.
4912. Is people dead, you know? This is very serious. This is a. What them say? Something about the number. Hang up. Me go redial. On the ear where it say now.
546 4912. Say carry on.
Hold on.
Your grandmother dead and Juliet, your auntie's here.
It a ring.
Yeah, carry on your name.
Hold on. What for say to her?
Tell her say Juliet and me they here I beg on the live and people my back up.
Hello? Carry on, you're right. Yeah, hello, is this Carry on?
Yes, this is Carry on.
You know, with the passing of your grandmother, is that your grandmother, Tufi grandmother as well?
Grandmother, and it was my grandmother.
Yeah, you know that lady that died in November.
Yes.
Okay, you know, Tufi's on the live trying to get some help, but you got some people bashing her saying that she's lying. But I don't think she's lying. I raw believe her. You're speaking to a lady living in England. My name is Debbi. So I'm with Tufi at the moment on the live. You get me? And I want some people to help her so she can finish pay off the funeral parlor. Is that correct? But they're trying to bash her, saying that she's lying, and you get me? She gave me the number and said, Debbi, if you think I'm lying, phone this number. Her name is Carrie Ann. You get me? And she will let you know. So now everybody on the live here said the girl not lying. I am a spiritual person, you know. I know when people is lying. Me know evil people. Me know fake people. Me know when people not good. You get me? So me know say the girl was not lying. Cause this woman never expect this call. But anyway, Carrie Ann, we just call to find out if it's true. You understand me? Anyway, thank you very much. All right. Yeah. So Instagram, she wasn't lying about the burial of her grandmother. She's not lying, Instagram. You lot need to help if you can help. You get me? A lot of blessing will take you know. You get me? Help her if you can.
Watch out. You saw me I tell her say Debbi. You say if you can ask, I'm gonna send the death certificate to you. You ask. Can you see them people right here what she ever say? Right, this is 2022. Debbi, you do not call nobody. You never hear on the phone when the woman a talk.
Who said that? Me block them. Show me who said that. But me never
Right,
call
this is
nobody.
2022. But
Anybody
Debbi,
who say
you
that
do not
just
call
evil.
nobody. Yeah,
Who
be
they on the
evil
live but
people.
hear me say it? Anybody say that is just evil and want to
Yeah, that
bright up
part,
with me?
she name right there, so.
Which part?
2022.
Let me see, because my eye them now work good enough. Debbi, you go. You're baga TV. Let me see what New York call. Hold on there, Debbi. You gone shame. Oh, them say me go shame. Shame for woman. This no shame na this man. Me nah mix up with the girl fish make me shame. Debbi, me I go make my 2 chopper bread. Them call you Stallion. Big up yourself. Low Stallion alone. Stallion, I'm a friend, man. Don't block nobody, Debbi. I did not say that. You're the people that call about the phone, yeah? You're there. When you hear the phone, I ring back. Hello? Yeah? A Tufi, me I give the money. A Tufi reach out to me. I don't know the uncle. I know Tufi. So anything when me have a Tufi, I go get it.
Debbi send it to the funeral home.
A Tufi, me have to give me. So I'm really sorry. You get me? I don't know the uncle. Tufi is the one who is worrying about her grandmother funeral.
And tell her, say, all the people them over here are bash me.
Baby, I know your heart is clean. Don't fall for the bullshit. Yeah, me hear you. Nobody can take the set from me. Cause me cut a girl or a boy in them face. Me come find people. Or me send people for them, pay people for go for them. Nobody can take the set from me. You think I walk over here so? Watch our gun text again. Miss, hey, what you say?
Blessing, I look a child like this. When I leave me alone, I see me set up my body for answer a call. When I go and ask the funeral home, allow me alone. That's why I don't want a friend for money, you know.
Yeah, me know. But miss, you
Debbi,
have to
put
go
the
call me
phone
back
on
another time.
speaker.
Come me dip on the live with the people.
Put the phone on speaker. Cause them say you're not talk to nobody. Put the phone on speaker.
If you hear me. Okay? When them reach out to you, please, me I beg you, let Romy have the money to take care of the funeral. Something when you say, I hit your
Right.
fiance. You understand?
Yeah, me tell them, carry on. Me tell them so to give the funeral home the money. I don't want the money. Now that me say, Debbi.
Yeah, me know.
Me tell them to give the funeral home the money.
All right then, miss. Here. So Tufi here we go know people she's not lying and I try to say she's lying. I see me call Jamaica straight. I can't believe say somebody say me never call nobody on the phone. People on the help her, me a beg you know. Help her, anything wanna have, me a go out live all week for she get her money for bury her granny. Every day this week I'm going live. I am kind of drunk right now and tired. Drunk and tired now, blood clot. I see one boy. I ask one boy for bring my God the dance and the boy just a call me, not Tufi. The boy just a blood clot call me. Me can't believe it. And the boy look like him want bring my God the dance now. He look like him a go God the dance. Oh my God, why the fuck off to call me now, man? Should I call me from there?
Yeah.
People, I'm telling you something. The girl tell me say her grandmother died. I'm going to take them something very serious and deep. You understand me? Me and Tufi now mix up and mingle up. You get me? I asked her, say, why she don't ask for some help on the Instagram? And she said, no, she not asking no help because she can't take the liberty where people are take with her. Me say, Tufi, this is the type of things you need to bring to the people on the Instagram when you need help. You get me? I'm a convince her. Say me go live and she need to join the live and come and ask help and show the pink paper, the death certificate. And that we do. You get me? But real of a fact, Instagram, she didn't want to come and do none of that.
You hear
Because she was
Francis TV,
fearful.
Debbi? The girl did not say so, Debbi.
What she say? What she said the girl didn't say? What she said the girl never say?
Francis TV say the girl did not say so, Debbi.
But she said the girl never say what the girl didn't said.
And that me want know.
Crosses TV just want to flap you. Remember me tell you that. Crosses TV just a try dry you out. I ignore if you ignore her. Crosses TV just a play with your head and I try fuck about with me. Any you avoiding me like how the boy I send me text about me avoid him. What the fuck me avoid him? You call me one time and me not answer. What me avoid him with? David not here, you know. Yeah, me a here call the funeral home. Them I go kill your phone with call. I hardly use my house phone so it can call. Them I go kill your phone. Let me see. Call the funeral home. Nobody never said that. Debbi not here, you know. Give Debbi the funeral home number. And that you always say until you get the money. You know. Let me see. Hear nothing. You're not hear nothing going. You're not hear nothing. Who them attacks are not hear nothing. The people are bad by you, you know. The people them want have a go at you. Ear set up. I would never in stupidness family of vampire. No sir. Me tired. Somebody said them tired. Natty shine. Oh, boy, I wanna bad. I'm afraid I wanna. You know, so the girl leave now. She leave. She leave. What me miss? Me food for the poor. Her granny. Make food for the poor granny. Food for the poor